She's a Tigrian beauty, fearless and bold. Her story's untold, but she's worth more than gold. She rises in the morning, ready to fight, a hero in her own right. She's a shining light with fire in her eyes. She's unstoppable, a force to reckon with. She's unbreakable. From the mountains of Tigray to the city streets, she's paving the way, deconstructing feats. She walks with pride, head held up high, her spirit heavy the night. She's reaching for the sky in the face of liberty. She never backs down, she's the voice of her town, making her mark in the sound. She walks with pride, head held up high, her spirit can't be denied. She's reaching for the sky in the face of adversity. She never backs down, she's the voice of her town, making her mark in this town.